Imagine you've just found the perfect pair of sneakers, the latest tech gadget, or maybe a stunning piece of art on Lunar. You're ready to check out, but you only have PayPal. Can you complete your purchase? Let's dive into the world of online payments and explore whether Lunar, the innovative digital banking platform, accepts PayPal. Understanding Lunar. Before we delve into the specifics of payment methods, let's quickly recap what Lunar is all about. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including digital banking, a convenient way to manage your money, with features like virtual cards, savings goals, and more. Investments, opportunities to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Personal loans, flexible loans to meet your financial needs. Now, the burning question, does Lunar accept PayPal? Unfortunately, as of now, Lunar does not directly accept PayPal as a payment method. However, there might be alternative solutions or workarounds you can consider. Alternative payment methods on Lunar. Lunar typically supports a variety of payment methods, including credit and debit cards. Most major credit and debit cards are accepted. Bank transfers. You can transfer funds directly from your bank account to your Lunar account. Mobile payments. Options like Apple Pay and Google Pay might be available. Workarounds and considerations. While PayPal isn't directly supported, there are a few potential workarounds. Linked bank account. Link your bank account to your PayPal account. Use your linked bank account to make payments on Lunar. Lunar's virtual cards. Create a virtual card on Lunar. Use this virtual card to make purchases on platforms that accept PayPal. Key considerations. Currency conversion fees. Be aware of potential currency conversion fees if you're making international payments. Platform limitations. Some platforms might have specific restrictions on payment methods, so it's always best to check their terms and conditions. Security. Prioritize security when making online payments. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. While Lunar doesn't directly accept PayPal, it offers a range of convenient payment methods. By understanding these options and considering potential workarounds, you can still make seamless purchases on Lunar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.